What's up everybody, it's again Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing extremely well. Well guys, today in this video I'm going to give you top 10 cinematic LUTs of 2020 which I personally handcrafted for you guys for free. So by using this LUT you can just color grade your video footages to a very cinematic, Bollywood or Hollywood style photos or the videos, as well as you can just color grade your photos in Photoshop with the help of this LUT. So you can just download this LUT with the help of links in the description. And guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So before any further ado, let's get straight into the video and I'll show you how you can use this LUT to color grade your video footages in Premiere Pro as well as in Photoshop, how to install these LUTs. And guys, don't forget to be creative and be awesome. So guys, the very first thing all you need to do is just download this top 10 cinematic LUTs of 2020 from ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com, verify from the links in the description. Now just right click on it and select extract here. So it will extract the folder that is top 10 cinematic LUTs of 2020. Now when you will open the folder you will find FP Cinematic Arcadia AVC 2020 and here are the 11 LUTs. So guys, I have given you one more bonus LUT for you so that you can color grade and make it look more cinematic. So here we're gonna just open up the Premiere Pro and let's see how it actually looks if you apply the video this LUTs to your video footage, and let's see some of the example videos and try to make it more cinematic with the help of this LUTs. So here I have opened up the Premiere Pro. Now let's just open up the project, any of the project. Now here we're gonna just first of all you're gonna do is let's open up some of the example video footages. So here is one of the video and here is one more. So guys, here all you need to do, if this is the normal footage right now, if you want to color grade this footage, then all you hit now to do is just go to the window, select the geometric color, and from here just go to the creative, and from here look, select on the browse button and just browse that top 10 cinematic LUTs which I have given you folder that. Now let's just open up one by one. See, you can see the difference guys. This one is really looking very perfect kind of, here's the before and here's the after. So you can see the difference guys. Here's the before and here's the after. Let's try one other cinematic LUTs. Let's try this and you can see this is giving your video footage a very kind of moody, Hollywood type effect to the video, which is really an amazing effect. Let's just add some more LUTs. Let's try this third one and you can see the difference guys. It is really making your photo very crisp, brownish with teal effect. Let's try from the beginning. Here's the before and here's the after. A huge difference can be seen in the photo guys. You can see the difference. Let's open up one more LUT. This one is also very quite cool guys. Here was the before and here's the after. This is really an amazing piece. If you want to make a cinematic movie or edit your pre-wedding videos, then you can just use this LUT and just make it look more amazing and crisp. So you can see the difference here. This 10 LUTs are guys, I personally handcrafted for you guys. So kindly do like this video and subscribe if you haven't for more videos like this and free preset like this. So we're gonna just use this LUT also in our Photoshop. So we're gonna install this LUT. So let's see how it actually looks if we apply install these LUTs, and we're gonna apply it to our photos and make it look more cinematic with the help of this LUTs. So let's just try on that. This one is also a very dope guys. You can see the difference guys. Here's the before and here is the after. If you wanna still more increase the intensity of the LUTs, then from here you can just increase it and make it look more cinematic. This is totally up to you. So you can see the difference. Here's the before and here's the after, guys. This one is really looking very perfect for your videos as well as photos. This one is also very kind of crispy effect. So let's just install the LUTs in our Photoshop, guys. If you want to save this clip, all you need to do is just go to the file and just go to the export and click on the media and select the match sequence settings. So and just hit on the export button, so your video would be saved with the color graded LUTs. Now let's just install this LUT file to our Photoshop. So all you need to do is just copy that 10 or 11 LUT file. Just right click on it and select copy. Select FP Arcadia AVC 2020, right? FP stands for filter preset and AVC stands for ashvircreations. Now just copy that 11 LUTs file and just go to the C drive. Just go to the program files and here just go to the Adobe, select the Photoshop and select the preset folder and go to the 3D LUTs and just paste that 11 LUT file over here and just hit continue. So you can see here is the FP Cine Arcadia, FP Cine Excel, and here are the 11 preset for the 11 LUT file. Now we're gonna just restart our Photoshop and let's see how it actually looks if you apply this to your photos, and let's make it look more cinematic with the help of this LUT file. Let's open up some of the example photographs. Here I am using, guys, Photoshop 2020. So let's just open up some of the example photos. Here are some of the photos which I have already selected for you guys. So let's just open up and let's see. Let's start with this photo, guys. Now here all you need to do is just go to the color lookup from the adjustment layer, and from here you need to select the FP Cine Arcadia. First of all, let's try from this. So guys, you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is after. A huge difference and kind of cinematic touch it is giving to your photo. Let's try this. So you can see the difference, guys. Here is the before and here is the after. Let's try this. Here is the before and here is the after. So these are the 10, guys, 10 LUT file which you can color grade. Which you can see it is really looking very pretty perfect. If you want to create an amazing tone for your photo as well as video, then these 10 LUTs are the best, guys. So you can see the difference, guys. This is a kind of brownish tinted LUT file with teal effect, which is very amazing. So here is also a kind of very amazing LUT file, that is Heller Cine Lagaster. So you can see the difference. This is giving your photo a very greenish vibe, which is very amazing. This is a Scandinavia. This also an amazing LUT file, guys. You can see the difference. Here's the before and here's the after. And let's try this. This one is also very amazing. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video and this LUTs. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make more videos and preset and LUTs like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed to our channel, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you're gonna find new backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom preset, LUTs and many more cool stuff like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed to our second channel, or if you still not visited our second website, that is www.filterpreset.com, then just go and visit the website for premium collection of LUTs. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.